All right, today we've got some door button patches. Patches, that's kind of an interesting name for these. These are the silver ones from Tesery, and as you can see, they are for opening the door. There's 4 of them, all 4 doors. Tesery sent these over saying, hey, take a look at them, let us know what you think. So far, I like them. They're marketing these like for protection for this button, which, you know, okay. Sure, it's possible this thing is going to take some wear and tear. However, I think that the biggest issue with this car, with a Tesla, is people sit there and they don't know how to get out of the car. So if this button is highlighted, I think it's just going to help a lot. They make these in silver, as you can see here, although they look kind of, one of the pictures make them look kind of white, so don't be thrown, it's only silver. And then they have some that are made out of, it looks like Alcantara, 2 different kinds of Alcantara. One is, you know, like more flat, and the other one is just kind of puffy. I'm just going to describe it that way. But that's all they have. I kind of wish they had white, though, because I think it would match what, you know, a lot of people have a white interior, black and white interior. I think the white might be a good option to have. So anyway, I'm going to put these on, take a look at them, and see what you guys think. Install is going to be pretty stinking simple. We take the backing off, clean this off with alcohol, and then stick it on there. And just got to be careful when we put it on, because it's going to stick real quick. But I think what I'm going to do is try to line up this bottom first. A little hard to do with one hand, but I think I'm going to line up this bottom like this and then pop it down. I think that's going to be the best way to do it. All right, I've got the backing off, clean this off with some alcohol, and gonna try to do this with one hand. I'm not even doing it the way I said, because I'm doing it with one hand. All right, I think this will work. And I'm pushing on the bottom, make sure it lines up there, and pushing it kind of that way. All right, we go. I'm gonna hold this down for about 30 seconds, because that's kind of how this tape works. After 30 seconds, you get, I don't know, 85, 86% adhesion, and then it takes another 24 hours or so for it to fully grip. Right, so there we go. It's on. You know, big install here, but take a look at it. Yeah, I think these are lit up underneath, so I'm going to bring it into the garage, bring it into the dark, and see if that's lit up. That looks good, and it's definitely like highlighted. So now when somebody says, hey, how do I get out of here? You just say, hey, push the white button, push the silver button, whatever. It's just there. It's just more highlighted, easier to see. And it just kind of adds an accent. You know what? It goes with this. You know, we got kind of a silver run here for the LEDs. This one obviously is for the Highland. I think they make it for the Model Y also, but not 100% sure. I'm not 100% sure if this button is the same size as for the Model Y. Rear door. Yeah, same thing. But yeah, especially with passengers in the rear, they most likely have never been in this car or a Tesla before, so yeah, it helps. While these are really inexpensive, do not forget to use my discount code. Why not save more money? And my discount code will save you more money than all of those other discount codes that they kind of throw out there at you. They'll always save you an extra 1 or 2%. Tesla Mark, use it.